Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change the device name of your Sharp TV. So let's start off by going to the settings. Now here scroll down to the system and go to about. Here we have the device name and we can click change right here. And now we can choose the name or we can enter the custom name. So I'll choose like the bedroom TV. And now the device name is bedroom TV instead of Sharp Android TV or something like that, or Sharp Google TV. So it's much better, much cleaner. And here, if you want to enter a custom name, all you gotta do is just type whatever you want, then simply click accept here. So that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.